Okay, Stephanie, I'm making this just for you. Okay, a couple of tools you're going to need, and what I've used over the years seems to work out very well. Now, one of the things you're going to need some sort of device, and what I have here is a Wacom tablet, and it comes with a pen, and it connects to a USB port on your computer, and it's actually just a mouse that you can write with, and then it goes on the screen, and I'll show you that. So Wacom.com is where you can find them, and they're about $60, $70. You can get some that are refurbished, that are all you need probably, and comes with a little explanation of how to use it, and there's tutorials and stuff like that. So that's the mouse pen. Now, you're also going to need something that allows you to write very well on the computer. And this is, there's a free version of this, and then there's a slightly paid version, gives you a little more tools, but it's called the Epic pen. So you type that into a Google search and it'll take you to, and you download it online, and it makes a nice little toolbar, and I'll show you what that is like. And then finally, a program, which is what I'm using right now, to capture the voice and the image that's on the screen. And that program is called Screencast-O-Matic.com. And I'll show you all of this too. Now, the Epic Pen has a toolbar. So what I'm going to do now is stop, because I can capture what I have here, and then I can also, using Screencast-O-Matic, capture the full screen and make myself a little smaller. And I can move myself around wherever I want. And these are the icons within the picture. Now, if I only wanted to capture the screen, I would click on this. Screen and me, which is what we have it on, is this middle one. And then only me, which I started off with, is this. But what I want to show you here is the Epic Pen toolbar. So I'm going to right mouse that. I have an icon on my desktop, and it'll open up. Okay, there is the little toolbar that I use for writing on the screen if I have a PowerPoint there or a blank screen. And the way it works is, if I go here, I can reduce it in size. Clicking it here, this brings you back without the use of any of the tools. You just want to do something in this area. But if you want to write something, there's a pen, there's a highlighter, there you can actually put in text, and there you can make lines. This is the eraser. Here is the size of the stylus. Here you can delete everything, clean the screen off, and then if you click this, it brings back what you had on the last type. And here's where you can get a white screen. And this one gives you a screenshot. And then this one are the settings, and then how to quit. Down at the bottom here, you can select different colors. So a little tutorial on this. I'm using my mouse pen now. And notice as I move it over the tablet, if I want to write something, I can write my name. There it is. And it has pretty accurate, rendition of what you're doing. And this is what I use for all of those slides that I've made and for the quizzes and PowerPoints and things like that. And again, if you wanted to change it to a whiteboard, there it is. And thing is, as you record, though, it's going to record your toolbar, but keep it over to the side. And then if you want to change the size of it, and it can make it really big if you want to fill in something. Okay. Now, if you want to erase, there's the eraser. And if you want to make a line, got to lift it up here. And you play around with it, and that's what the Epic Pen is like. So as I bring it back to the regular screen, and I want to delete everything, I just hit the delete. And if I want to get back what I just deleted, I would click that, and it comes back. Okay, now what I'm going to show you, let's diminish that, is where to get the capture program. And I'm just going to go to a browser, Google or whatever you want to use. Takes a moment for it to load. So once that opens, you put in the address bar, Epic, E-P-I-C, pen, and hits enter, search. Again, there's a free version that has limited things you can do with it. And then I think the commercial version is $22, $23. When I bought it, I think it was $17. It's taking a while here. Okay, so there it is right there. There's a beta version apparently, and there. Now, the nice thing about all this is if you go to YouTube and ask for a tutorial on how to use it, many people have contributed. Okay, that's the Epic Pen. Now, if we go here to Screencast-O-Matic, and there it is coming up here. Click on that. And now you want to get the actual company. It looks like this one right here, because this TechSmith is another one here. But this is the Screencast-O-Matic right there, .com. And there's a free one. And again, there's one that you can purchase. The free one, I think, limits you to lessons that are like 15 minutes long or something. But the one that you pay for, and again, that's only about $25 for a year, it allows you to record any kind of length that you want. Now, again, if you go to YouTube, let's go to YouTube here anyway. So there's YouTube. And in YouTube, in the search bar, you type in Screencast-O-Matic. I guess I could have copied that before. Oh, it's not taking here. There it is. Screencast-O-Matic tutorial for teachers, for PowerPoints, plenty of things that can help to get you started. Okay, well, I'll try to keep this short. This is what I've done. And of course, you've seen the end product of what I've done, and I've always used Screencast-O-Matic to record all my stuff for University of Bridgeport and from University of New Haven. All right, we'll wind this up.